We have special measures in place across the province. So there are things like the order that we put out preventing people from having large numbers of people in rental accommodations. And it's on the owners of those businesses to ensure that those provisions are written into rental agreements, whether it's in a resort, a hotel room, or whether it's a houseboat or something like that. There has been a lot of work in the community in and around Kelowna, but also in other places where people visit regularly to make sure that public health and bylaw officers and local police are making sure that people are adhering to the requirements that we have. And actually, I've been quite impressed by people in those settings, particularly what we've seen in the interior, where people are doing the right thing. So, this is where we have to we have to promote the positive behavior. We are responding. People are making a difference by keeping their numbers small, by keeping those distances, by wearing masks where it's appropriate, and I think it's made a difference.
Do you have a follow-up, Marcella?
Yes, just to clarify, I was under the impression that there was a special team that had been dispatched to the interior now to try to help deal with that as a hotspot, because there are many people flocking to warm places in that region. And also, if you could maybe reiterate if there's been any transmissions yet at summer camps in BC.
So there's no special team. Interior Health is working with the communities. We had a number of conversations with local leaders in communities in the Okanagan, particularly the central Okanagan around Kelowna. So they are working together. But that team model of working together is happening in other places in BC, along Vancouver Island and the Gulf Islands, Whistler, and other places as well. And it really was a wake-up call because of what we had seen during the July 1st long weekend, where people really just wanted to get together. In terms of summer camps, so you will recall, and I know there's been quite a lot of discussion in media about the overnight summer camp in Georgia in the U.S., where there was quite a lot of transmission. And, these were things that we were considering very early on. All of these decisions that we have made have really come from a point of understanding risk. And so we have not allowed overnight summer camps, similar to the one that had the extended transmission in Georgia in the U.S. So we have not allowed those for those very reasons, that it was a situation where you could not control that type of close contact that people were having. The only summer camp that I'm aware of is there's been one summer camp in Vancouver where one of the instructors in the camp has tested positive, and there's a number of people in isolation, but no other new cases that I'm aware of at this point.